Yo. 2009 Honda Fit. I think there's supposed to be an inspection cover under here, but it's gone. So you can figure out how to do that without me telling you. He's got a broken dipstick in the tube, so I'm going to take this thing out. There's a 10 millimeter right here. I guess I'll start by just trying to wreck it. I'm just going to get under here with a chisel and an air hammer, a really long chisel, and just give it some raps. See if I can get this off. I think it's moving. It feels like I loosened it up real good. I'm going to try to get it out from up top now. I got a little baby hose puller. I'm just going to wiggle this around and try to pull up on it. There should just be an O-ring holding it in. Yep, I get it out. Yep. This thing's really stuck, this dipstick. A lot of times that happens because people never lubricate these O-rings in here. This O-ring right here, there's usually a couple of them on these Hondas. There's another one in there, it's all rusted in. So I'm just gonna dig into this with a drill bit. Sooner or later I'll hit the dipstick. I want to use a big enough drill bit too so it doesn't bite down into anything and snap. Uh-oh. See, it just bit really hard because I found the stick. Jesus, wow. That's really stuck. Holy crap, wow. It's stuck. It's moving. Try to push this thing up. I got it to move. Put a little lube in there. Maybe that'll help get it out. I see a little piece of metal. Oh, wow. Look what I found. I found somebody's broken drill bit. How nice. And I'm better than the last guy that tried. There it is. There's the junk. I actually broke my drill bit too. Whoops. On this dipstick tube, there's an O-ring on it. I got a little dielectric grease here, or silicone paste. I want to put that on the O-ring before I stab it in there, so it's nice and lubed. And the top, we went to the dealer because they said they had a dipstick, but they didn't. So I'm gonna put a little bit in here because you always want to lube these. The whole reason why these dipsticks break is because people never lubricate them, and then when they get dry and then they get stuck because people that change their oil are stupid. I'm going to give them a little packet of dielectric grease that I use for, like, I don't know, I probably got these with some spark plug wires or something. It's just got a little dribble of dielectric grease in there, and I'm going to have him put that on the O-ring on the dipstick when he gets the dipstick so he can just stab it in here. And for right now, just to get by, I'm just going to put a cap on here. Yeah. just so it don't get contaminated, nothing will fall in it. So when he gets a stick, he can just take this off and put his dipstick in it. So this poor swab should go in a lot easier than it came out, I hope. I hope. Getting it out is the hard part because that O-ring is dry. Those don't need to be very tight, probably like 6 pounds. That's it, it's a job. Okay, bye.